What's going on again? You don't know say girl Desi. I will back at this again with another video, guys. Period. I'm not gonna stress to know more and to know go to that Instagram page. It named YouTubers Jam. You see me? It's a promo page for all YouTubers. You see me? And if you're a YouTuber and you're watching this video and you haven't followed this page, honey, go over there right now. You see me? Want to go over there, follow up the thing, them like up the people them things. You see me? Subscribe to the people them channel. And you see me? I'm not stressing you, I'm not stressing. I want to know the one next thing from want to know she go over Invasion. You see me? That youth yeah, bad brother. Bad upcoming artist, me I tell you. You see me? Want to go over to him YouTube channel and spam up him comment section, guys. Like up him video them, listen to him song them, promote him song them, brother. Him hot. You see me? Hot daddy. Link I got that in the description, you see me, as well as the Instagram page. You see me, someone want to know just boops up that for me, you see me? So guys, so today we're doing the Q&A part 2, you see me, and I've got questions from my Instagram followers and some persons in my WhatsApp contacts. So I'm going to start with the most frequently asked question, which is why did you decide to join YouTube, or why did you become a YouTuber? So I've wanted to become a YouTuber for the longest time, you see me. So I was always watching YouTube videos and I'm saying, you know, so me can go on YouTube and make money too. Yeah. So, but I always want to start it, I just never have the proper devices, you see me. I always have phone, but like my on and off with phone like me a scammer, brother. So I just never ready for the road, you see me. But I'm ready now, I would there. That matters, you see me. Okay, and this question says, what is your name? My name is Aisha, you see me. So this is my government name, and my nickname is like Destiny, Desi, anything. Because next question is, what's your biggest regret? So, I always try not to regret things in life. As in, I always try to accept consequences that comes with every decision that I make. As in, so I don't really regret nothing. The only thing I actually regret though is not putting myself first in certain situations, or in most situations, as in me. I have a big heart, you get me? So the biggest regrets, because I do that for some people who never really deserve it. They never deserve it as it. So I just let alone, you see me? I don't really have no major regrets or anything. Dark skins or light skins? Well, I don't have any preference. I don't have a preference when it comes down to complexion. Personality do it for me, you see me. So it no matter your complexion, it no matter your status, it no matter where you have, you see me, personality are the first and foremost thing we look for. Would you rather infinite money or unending love? Would I want rich? Me, would I want money? Would I want money? Yeah. But that them say money can make you happy, because you have a lot of rich people who are actually lonely and such and such. But like my own company, brother, so I don't know still. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm not probably fit the money. I don't know. Who or what is your inspiration? Oh, your motivation. Like my motivation would have to be like both my mother and father, is me. So like growing up, I say like the bag of struggles, is it? So they were always my motivation. Me go through school and everything just because I want to see them happy. Me get the 9 subjects just because I want to see them happy. Me graduate just because I want to see them happy. I want to repay my debt in being successful, you see me? So big up my parents. Okay, so the next question is, where do you see yourself in 5 years? So in 5 years, I hope to achieve successfulness as it regards to YouTube, you see me? Mama, my page for out there, you see me? Out there without fear. Okay. So I want to be successful on YouTube. I hope to have my bachelor's degree at that time. You see me? I hope to have this is out there, you see me? So you see me? We're gonna see where it takes 5 years, 10 years takes us, you see me? So we're just gonna hope for the best. You see me? I'm not gonna say too much, you see me? Because how old are you? I am 18 years old. Here's me. I am 18. Do you believe in love at first sight? No, I do not. I don't. I don't believe in love at first sight because I just feel like say you can just see somebody and feel like say I can love them for the rest of your life and you probably see somebody and like them, like their attitude, like their dressing and them something. But I don't believe in a love at first sight. No. What is your biggest fear? So my biggest fear is actually losing anyone close to me. Is it me? I've been through that recently, is it me? But I have persons that are close to me and me no want to lose them, is it me? So that's one of my biggest fear. And my next fear, next to that, is not being successful in life, is it me? I don't want to be a failure, to be honest. Is it me? But anyway, guys, that is the end of the video, is it me? And we're out here without fear or reach 200, is it me? So, big up to all of the subscribers out here, is it me? Royalty Gang RG. We need that insane, bro. Continue to like, subscribe, and share, is it me?